Alright guys, we got the cameras up, rolling. I want to show you what we got. Let's see. The DVR is up and running, camera's on. This is my little dungeon here, boiler room. Okay, this is my setup. My DVR is here. I haven't done wire management yet, but this is where we're gonna have it. It's in the boiler room.
Yep.
And everything's going all over the house, out to the exterior. Alright, lights are working. We're gonna go back to the camera. And this is the model I have for the DVR. Let's see if I can focus into that. That's the DVR there, THD301-88P. And it's not our system. Alright guys. This is the system. It's about 4 o'clock and it's a cloudy day. Here we go. Not bad. Looks pretty crispy. How can we get that view? Oh, car just passed by. There you go. Can we do a single view? Main door. This is the main door view. I could click here and I can zoom in. Digitally zoom in. Pretty good. I could zoom in the car in the corner over there, neighbors. Kind of far. There you go. I could also scroll. I thought I could scroll. Let's go to multiple camera views. I could put 4 2x2s. There you go. This is the air conditioner. I can see the streets, corner, intersection. It's not bad. I'll go to playback. I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Let's see. It's kind of hard. I'm holding the camera in one hand. But let me show you something real quick. I'm new at this. A lot of stuff going on. Let me type in my password. Okay, you can do playback. You can pick an actual camera you want to play back. Let's go to garage doors. I know I came out to walk the dog today. I'll click on this. It'll search for anything that happened on this date. And then you go to when I walk the dog around 2 o'clock. Let's see. There you go. I'm gonna come out in my sweatpants and let my dog do his stuff. It records 3 seconds and 3. Oh, he didn't let me walk. He's a bastard. He just pooped right there. He had to go. Alright. I went out the back. That's me in the backyard. I'm walking around looking for us. I know what I was looking for. Let's say here, settings. See, we had the motion detection. We cleared this area because every time a car passed, we would get a notification. When the wind blows too hard, or these leaves shake, we will get a notification. So he's deleted those. You get somebody tampering with the camera, loses power or signal, you get a warning also. And that's it. Yeah, I could change it from one camera. So I have 5 cameras out of the 8. We only put on 5. And I'll show you how the cameras were mounted in a few. Alright guys, the live footage I showed you in this condition is cloudy, around 4 o'clock. See, it's not that bright. That's one of the cameras up there. That's the garage door. And then I'm going to show you the other one I have right here by this window. I don't know if you can see it now. That's the one by this window, and I just zooms in that area. This one here gives me one of the other shots. There's one right here. See, they're pretty, it blend in with the house pretty good. And then when you go around the backyard, I have one. There's the one you got me walking by myself. This one here just catches here, and is Luana right in here. That focus is down here. And then we have another one facing that way. See this white plastic cameras? They blend in with the siding. That's why I chose these cameras, because you will not see them. And everything is tucked into the siding or on the edges. This one goes in from this side into the garage. I had to do it that way for some reason. And that's my setup with my cameras. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's one of my first camera tech video installation review, whatever you want to call it, an unboxing. Alright, so I'll talk to you later. Hasta luego. This is my live night view. Pretty good, isn't it? Oh, there goes a car driving by. There he goes driving by this far.